Hello Patreon people, it is May. I know it's been a little while since I did a video update for you all, but let's go ahead and catch up. First thing I want to address is this awesome clock that my buddy Dave Wilson made. Dave brought this clock over. I don't remember the original person that created it. Dave bought the files and printed a bunch of them out. He did tweak it a little bit. It's an awesome design, and Dave, this is much appreciated. I know Dave will probably watch this video. If he would like to put the link to this project in the comments, that would be awesome. Next up, I shared with you my 3D printed circus. That was by Greg Zumwalt. There will be a full-length video coming out about that next week, so stay tuned for that. It's a really cool project. You're not going to want to miss it. Now, currently, the video I'm working on at this very minute is for Octo 4a. You might have seen Tom over at Tom3DP do a video on this. It's where you can run Octoprint on your Android phone. Given the fact there's not a lot of Raspberry Pis available right now, the ones that are very high priced, this could be really advantageous for a lot of users. But I wanted to take it just a little bit further, get it installed, see if we can run Clipper on it, do a few other things with it, just to check it out for myself. So that video will be coming up soon. Also, again, it is May. We've had a couple of 90-degree days here in Missouri, and I've gotten the humidity over here up to around 70%. So I need to work on that. But that put into my mind that it might be a great time to go back and do some more filament testing. You remember we tested PETG over the winter. Now that 70% humidity down here, those tests might change greatly. So we might tackle that as well. Also, I have an idea for my Voron switch wire. Now, the switch wire went together pretty well, but it's never printed all that well. It's got a really weird vertical artifacting issue. And the only thing I can think of left to try to solve it is to switch out the motors. So I got a hold of Jason over at LDO, and I wanted him to send me a different set of motors and maybe a higher end set of motors. You know, there are different types and qualities that they offer, so I wanted to compare those side by side. So I hope to get some of that testing done really soon. Next, we're trying to decide what we are going to take to MRF. Of course, we'll have a few printers and some projects. We'll definitely have stickers, but we'd like to try to work up some sort of swag, so anyone that's attending, I hope to see you there. And we have another mainboard on the way. Big Tree Tech has come out with another one, SKR3. I know, you're surprised. But this one does have a few different tweaks. It does the drivers a little bit different on the certain models. They've changed the form factor. I don't know. We'll check all that out, but, you know, it's another Big Tree Tech board. As far as printers goes, I really don't have anything coming up. New printers to try to review. I'm kind of out of that business since I haven't really done any live streams since we haven't had a new one. I haven't done one this whole year, in fact. I think it was November. So I really need to line that up. I know I keep talking about it, but I gotta get it done sooner or later. Hopefully this summer it'll slow down a little bit and we can work some of those in. Also, Discord. I want to apologize for the people that are over on the Discord. I don't get over there much. It's one more thing for me to add to the list of things I need to do every day. Comments, emails, work, you know, all that stuff. But I need to try to be more present on the Discord server. Hopefully you're enjoying it, you're sharing stuff over there. I just don't get to check it out as much as I should. So, I'll get to that, I promise. But I just wanted to get you another quick update now that it has been a couple of months since I did one. Everything's going pretty well. We're back to full swing on all these videos, working a lot of different projects, so they'll be coming out as soon as I get them done. Special thanks to everybody that supports me here on Patreon. It really does mean a lot to the channel. These videos are just for you, and I'll see you on the next coffee break.